Hi y'all, it's me, Darla G. I am attempting the military braid with the woven ribbon that goes through it, but I'm trying it with a smaller ribbon woven through it. These are both 7/8 inch wide, and this one, my one that's going to be woven through, is 5/8. So we'll see if that works. Okay, so I cut these at, I believe this is just for demo purposes, but they are each, let's see, 48 inches in length. Now you probably would want to double these, but just since this is demonstration, I'm only single. I have gone ahead and looped this to do my first loop for the military braid. So you do the first military braid loop, just like that. Then you take your ribbon you're gonna weave and make sure it's in the squared, square like that. You're gonna position it in the middle of the black there, so that hopefully this will mean that it kind of stays even throughout. And this is where the next ribbon will be, so kind of in the middle of that as well. A little lower actually. Okay, then we're gonna place a staple right here also. Okay, so with that, I think we're gonna take those back. All right, so we're gonna fold those over and take our black and put it through. Cinch it up here. Now we'll do the same with the white. Also cinch that down. And we are going to fold it back over. Both weaving ribbons. Okay. Another military. Another military loop. Fold this back this way now. Same thing here. One loop this way, one loop this way, And now we fold our weaving ribbon back over. All right. Fold it back again, your weaving ribbon. Back again, our weaving ribbon. And military loop again. I'm back this way and this way on your weaving ribbons. One more military loop. One more. Military loop. Fold the weaving ribbon back over. One more military loop. One more military loop. And we're folding the weaving ribbon back over. And one more military loop. Looks like this is all I'm going to be able to do as of right now. And one more. And then let's fold those back over as well. Let's just throw a staple in it just so we can see how it looks straightened out a little. It's not going to be, these are way too short for any kind of real braid. This is just so y'all can see. Well, me too, really. So I've never made it with the smaller weaving ribbon. Okay. And there it is. I think it would look really cool with, of course, like the glitter ribbon throughout here, or maybe even just the diamond mesh. And yeah, so there's my attempt at it. All right, thanks for watching, y'all.